This is CrackInterviewAI. It can listen to an interview question, show an answer, accept typed input, and understand a screenshot. This video explains the complete workflow in simple steps. The top bar shows the listening status, remaining time, plan, and settings button. The question appears in the upper box. The answer appears below it. The bottom line shows what the app is doing now. When the interviewer asks a question, the text appears in the question box. In manual mode, press Delete to get the answer. Delete is the default answer key. Read the response, explain it in your own words, and press Escape to clear the screen before the next question. To type or paste a question, press CapsLock. A green input box opens. Enter the question and press Enter to submit it. Press Caps Lock again to return to voice mode. Ctrl Backspace clears the typed text. For a code sample, diagram, or any visual question, tap Alt once. A blue capture box opens. The box shows its current size and all screenshot controls, so you can see the keys while you work. Hold Ctrl and use the arrow keys to move the box. To make it bigger, hold Ctrl and Shift, then press right or down. To make it smaller, use Ctrl and Shift with left or up. The box stays inside the screen. When the correct area is inside the box, tap Alt again. The captured image appears in the answer area. Type your question about the image and press Enter. You can add more captures or press Escape to remove them. Press Ctrl Space to hide the main pop-up. The window disappears, but the app keeps running. Press Ctrl Space again and the pop-up returns to the same place. Open Settings and select Profile. Write a short, tell me about yourself answer, then save it. You can also upload ABF text or Word resume. This helps the app use your real background and experience. In the Interview tab, open Professional Profile. Choose your field, role, skills, and tools. You can also add an exact job title, company, job description, and extra skills. Save the setup so future answers match the job you want. Open the Display tab to change the pop-up transparency and answer text size. The transparency slider works from 20 to 100%. Ctrl-Shift up makes the pop-up more solid. Ctrl-Shift down makes it more see-through. Open the Shortcuts tab to see every default key. Delete is the default key for Get Answer. On plans with custom shortcuts, use the menus on the right to choose your own keys. Use a different key for each action, then select Save Shortcuts. Reset Defaults restores the original keys. The transparency shortcuts always stay available. Remember the basic flow. Delete gets an answer. Caps Lock opens text input. Alt controls screenshots. Ctrl Space hides or shows the pop-up. Ctrl Shift up or down changes transparency. Settings lets you change your keys and profile.